Hello guys, welcome to another video. In this video guide, I will show you how to fix the Chronos the New Dawn game crashing or not launching, showing black screen lagging, not loading error on PS5. So let's go through it. So the first method is to restart PlayStation. Now the best way to fix the issue, it will resolve the temporary bugs and glitches that is leading to such problem. Just you need to open PS5 screen and click on PlayStation button. After that, select power button and finally click on restart PS5. After this, launch the game and see if it works. If not, next solution is to check storage space on console. For that, go to PS5 settings and move down to storage. Then you will see console storage and extended storage. Check each of them by clicking on it and then delete save data. Or go to PS5 settings, click on save data and game or app settings. Now select save data PS5. Select console storage and finally click on delete option. Next method is to rebuild database. For that, switch off your PS5, then hold down power button unless 2 beeps sound occur. Now leave power button to enter safe mode. Here connect DualSense controller via USB and then select rebuild database. After this, check if the problem is fixed. Next solution is to restore licenses. For that, open settings, user and accounts, move down to others on left panel. Now choose restore licenses. After that, select Chronos the New Dawn game and finally click on restore. After this, check if the problem is fixed or not. Next solution is to check for game update. So you should ensure the game is updated and not running on outdated version. The developers of the game often release patches to deal with several kinds of bugs or other issues and improve performance. So make sure you check if there is any update available and then launch the game and see if it works. Next is to install software updates on PS5. So for that, open settings on your PS5. Now select system. After that, go to system software. Then system software update and settings. Next, select update system software. Finally, select update using internet option. So after this, launch the game and see if the problem is fixed or not. Next is to sign out and sign into PS5. For that, go to settings on your PS5. Now click on user and accounts. Next, go down and click on other option. After that, click on sign out. Once done, wait for some time and again log into your PS5 account and then check if the error is fixed or not. Next is to switch Wi-Fi frequency. For that, go to settings, network, then click on settings and set up network connection. Here, click on options. Under Wi-Fi frequency, you can switch to 5 GHz or 2.5 GHz and then check if the problem is resolved or not. Next is to change language on console. For that, open PS5 settings first, then go to system. After that, select language options in the left sidebar, then select current language. Here, change the language to English or any other and then check if the issue is resolved or not. Next is to reset your console settings. So for that, open settings on your PS5, then move to system. Now select reset options under system software. Here, select reset default settings and finally click on restore option. After this, check if the problem is fixed. If not, next is to reinstall Chronos the New Dawn game on your PS5. For that, first highlight the game on your PS5, then press options on your controller. Now select delete and confirm it. Finally, restart your PS5 and install Chronos the New Dawn game again to check if the error is fixed or not. If not, final method is to contact support. For that, if the issue still continues and nothing works for you, then you should take help or contact the PlayStation support. I have already given the link in the description. They will better suggest you the solutions and you can be into the game once again. So that's all for now in this video. Thank you.